Hi students, today I would like to explain sets in that sets chapter. In textbook they gave do this and try these problems. So we will discuss that problems today. Identify and write the common property of following collections. First one, 2, 4, 6, 8. Second one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And third one, 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. And fourth one, January, February, March and so on. Thumb, index finger, middle finger and so on. They are asking common property. In first one, 2, 4, 6, 8. All the digits are even numbers only. And in second one, all are prime numbers. And in third one, observe the third one, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on, like that. That means square of the natural numbers. And next, January, February, March. This shows that all months in a year. And here, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky shows the fingers in hand. So next one, write the following sets. Write the following sets. First one, set of first 5 positive integers. What are the set of first 5 positive integers? I will take it A set equal to first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next one, set of multiples of 5. Set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. More than 100 and less than 125. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 20, 15, 20. But they give more than 100. That means 105, 110, 115, 120 and less than 125. So that means 105, 110, 115 and 120. And next one, set of first five cubic numbers. That means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. That is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. And next one, set of digits in Ramanujan number. What is Ramanujan number? All of you know about Ramanujan number? Ramanujan number is 1729. 1729 is Ramanujan number. So that means digits in the Ramanujan number. What are that? 1, 2, 7, 9. So I will take 1, 2, 7, 9 are digits in the set Ramanujan number. Next problem. S is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word madam. S is equal to letter, x is a letter in the word madam. What are the words? What are the letters in that? M, A, D. Remaining are in the set terms are not repeated. That's why we will write only one. M, A, D. And next one, P equal to x such that x is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. So whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That's why between 3.5 and 6.7. That means P equal to 4, 5. 6 also. 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6. Next one. Write the following in roster form. First one is B is the set of all months in a year. Having 30 days. That means he is asking B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. So B equal to, in January we have 31 days. And in February 28 or 29 days. And in March also 31 days. So in April we have 30 days. April, in May are 31. June, July also, July and August also 31. September and November. So what is that set? April, June, September and November. And next one, P is the set of all prime numbers. P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Smaller than 10. That means 2, 3, 5, 7. They are asking smaller than 10. That means 2, 3, 5, 7. And next one, X is the set of colors of rainbow. Colors of rainbow. Rainbow colors are VGR colors. That means VGR. In this, so X is equal to VGR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the colors in rainbow. And next one, write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. Write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. So the sets involving in geometrical ideas and algebraic ideas. What are the sets involving in geometrical ideas? So sets involving in geometrical ideas. Set of all quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Set of all quadrilaterals. What are those? Square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, like that and so on. So set of all quadrilaterals. And one more example, set of triangles. What are those? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and so on, like that. And next one, algebraic ideas. Algebraic ideas. I will take set A equal to multiples of 2. That means what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, like that. And one more example, B equal to X such that X is an equation, x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That means we will take the factors of this equation. That means x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So x common in between these two, x minus 1, and in these two minus 2 common, then x minus 1 equal to 0. In both x minus 1 we common, and next x minus 2 equal to 0. So what are the roots of this equation? X equal to 1 and 2. So that means what is the set B? B equal to 1 comma 2. And the next, let A equal to 1, 3, 7, 8, B equal to 2, 4, 7, 9. Find A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements in A and B. Here only 7 is the common element. That means A intersection B is equal to 7. And the next one, if A equal to 6, 9, 11, B equal to empty set, find A union 5. That 5 means empty set. That means A union 5 equal to 6, 9, 11 union 5. That means empty set. That means 6, 9, 11 are the values. So A union pi equal to A. And the next, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 10. B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements. That means 1 to 10 they gave A. So that means 2, 3, 5, 7 are the common elements. And the next one, fourth one, A equal to 4, 5, 6, B equal to 7, 8. Show that A union B is equal to B union A. So first we will prove A union B is equal to. A union B means 4, 5, 6 union 7, 8. That equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union means, so combining the elements. And B union A, that is equal to 7, 8 union 4, 5, 6. That means 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. So both are equal. So that means A union B is equal to B union E. And next, list out sets A and B and choose their elements such that A and B are disjoint. What are disjoint sets? Disjoint sets means the sets have, suppose if you take A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5. So both sets have no common elements. That sets are, so disjoint sets means A intersection B is equal to 5. So I will take A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5. In these two sets, no common elements are there. That means A intersection B is equal to 5. Then A and B are disjoint sets. And next one, if A equal to 2 3 5, find A union pi and pi union A. Pi means empty set, that means A union pi equal to 2 3 5. Similarly, pi union A equal to also 2 3 5. So A union pi equal to pi union A. And next, if A equal to 1 2 3 4, B equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, find A union B, A intersection B. First we will find A union B. What are the values of A union B? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And A intersection B. What are the common elements? 1 2 3 4. So what we wrote is A union B is equal to what set we will get? B. And here A intersection B, what set we will get? A. So A union B equal to B and A intersection B equal to A. And the next one, A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, B equal to 2 4 6 8 10. Find the intersection of A and B. So A intersection B. What are the common elements? 2 4 6. That's it. A intersection B is equal to 2 4 6. And next one, if A equal to 1 2 3 4 5, B equal to 4 5 6 7, then find A minus B and B minus A. Are they equal? First we will find A minus B. A minus B means suppose if we take the Venn diagram, this is A and this is B. A minus B means only this part. So in that part, which elements we have, that elements we will get A minus B. Then now we will write A, and in this both common 4 comma 5. So 4 5. And remaining 1 2 3 I will write here, and remaining 6 7 I will write here. So what are the values of A minus B? 1 2 3. Similarly, B minus A. That means subtract B from this. So B minus A means what are the values? 6 7. Are both are equal? No. So A minus B not equal to B minus A. And next, if B equal to A E I O U and B equal to A I K U, find V minus B. V minus B. That means here A is there. So I also there. U also there. So what are remaining? E comma O. And the next B minus V. B minus V. What are remaining? K only. And next one, which of the following are empty sets? Justify your answer. Empty sets. Which are the following are empty sets? First one is set of integers lie between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3 we don't have integers. We have real numbers. So that means this is an empty set. And second one, set of natural numbers that are smaller than 1. Set of natural numbers that are smaller than 1. Natural numbers starts with from 1 only. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. But less than 1 we don't have any natural numbers. That's why this is also empty set. And next one, set of odd numbers. Set of odd numbers that leave remainder 0. That leave remainder 0 when divided by 2. When divided by 2. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on up to infinity. If we divide with odd numbers, remainder is 1. So this is also empty set. Next, state which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite or infinite. First one, A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less than 100. That means what are the numbers? X A equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 99. This is a finite set. And the next one, B equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 5. X less than or equal to 5 means 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is also finite set. And next, third one, C equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. This is an infinite set because it's going on. So that is infinite. And next fourth one, D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a finite set. Only 4 elements are those in this sets. And next one, X such that X is a day of the week. X is a day of the week. So in a week we have 7 days. That means the set is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is a finite set. And next session we will discuss about the polynomials.